The No Trap Youth Council, or HYC, held a public meeting yesterday in Umsning as part of its campaign against illegal trafficking and drug abuse in the state. Led by HYC President Roy Kupar Sinram, the initiative is part of the Drugs Elimination and Enforcement DREAM program. The HYC has increased its outreach efforts by visiting rural and urban areas, identifying drug traffickers and users within communities. The event drew participation from local women, youth and village leaders, including Umsning Proper B Society headman Rocky A. Marwen and Umsning Town Darbar chairman Rocky Kalla.
Atungin up, bahadu kan jat pendiri baru kawai kan syam not, lain kan syam punjat, how new drugs.